Uptown Swing, level 1.
A cat. I thought you were coming with me on that. Okay.
Sorry, Maddie, Peter.
We're nailing it.
Yep.
Okay, you guys, swinging out this week, you did a great job with a really challenging thing. The swing out open to open. So we started in closed. We did rock, step, triple step, step, step. And now from open, we go right back to open. It's challenging. You got a lot of practice with it, and it's looking good. Leaders, your practice with this. You go rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. I'm turning the whole time, but I'm going back and forth a little bit. Remember, I keep this side open, especially at the end, and I keep it for the beginning.
Followers, we talked a lot about continuing our momentum, going one direction while changing our orientation. We practiced that by going step, step, triple step, and just having that intention to keep moving in one direction, but making sure that we're able to change that orientation while still going one direction.
So remember, my job comes into play when I hold my partner. If I'm here, I do my shape, I send my partner. Even if I'm here, I do my shape, I send my partner. Maddie's job comes in from open, she's coming here.
Trying to go that way.
But facing me at the same time. And followers, really, if you try to triple step this way and you face your partner, you're gonna end up with this little cross, no big deal. Great job with all that. And then we just had you try some weird things, just trying to get you to really connect here, trying to get leaders to really move their partners. And then we went back to smoothing it all out. And if everyone slowed down, watched out for those big broken rock steps, and slowed things down, things got a lot better, and we'll do even more next week.